Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just took a quick shower because Elena is down for her first nap of the day. I have a lot to update you guys on her sleep schedule and stuff, because if you followed my journey with her, you know it's been very difficult for her to take naps by herself during the day, and we basically have no schedule at all. Until about 3 days ago, we've been really trying to implement a schedule and it's been working. I think it's just because now she's 4 months, she's more ready for a schedule. Anyways, I have a lot to update y'all on. Now that she's doing a little bit better and I have a little bit more time for myself with her naps, I've had a little bit more time for self-care, and so I was gonna share with y'all kind of my updated very quick skincare routine in the morning. And then later today I'm going to be organizing Elena's room because it's out of control right now, and I thought I would do kind of a little postpartum update and let you guys know kind of how I'm doing emotionally as well as physically, and just kind of how my postpartum journey was. So firstly, I have talked to you guys about the Kiehl's Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash on my channel so many times because this is like my holy grail cleanser. But I actually just recently in the past month have added a couple more products to my routine from Kiehl's that I know you guys will love as well. So thank you so much to Kiehl's for sponsoring this portion of today's video. The more that I learn about Kiehl's, the more I am really falling in love with their brand. They're like an old school apothecary style brand. They've kind of kept that same branding for over 169 years. This brand has been around forever, for decades, and their products are just tried and true, people's holy grail. These are products that have been around for years and just work. So that's why I'm just loving them. So my routine in the morning is 3 steps, super quick. I do cleanse and I moisturize, and I recently added an eye cream, which I'm very excited to talk to you guys about. So I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse with my cleanser. This is literally a brand new one because my old one is out. Let me turn you guys this way. So the reason I love this cleanser is because you really just need a little tiny amount. The little goes a long way with this cleanser. I really love using this at night to remove my makeup because it just gets every little bit of makeup and dirt and oil off. I have a dry to normal skin, and even though that cleanser is such a deep clean, it does not dry out my skin whatsoever. The next product that I have been using is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, and this product is their #1 selling global moisturizer. So honestly, you guys, I have been using it for the past couple of weeks and I can see why. This moisturizer is perfect for every day because it is lightweight, it's not greasy, and it just sinks into the skin so nicely. Another thing is it is fragrance free, and a lot of times fragrance free products will kind of smell weird, but this one does not smell at all. It just doesn't really have any kind of a scent. Okay, you guys, the next product that has helped me so much the past few weeks that I've been using it is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment, and this is such a cult favorite. It's a very different texture than any other product I have ever tried. So what I do is I take my ring fingers and I warm up the product, and that is the key. I really feel like this product needs to be warmed up since it is kind of a thicker product. Ever since I started using this product a couple of weeks ago, I have seen a visible difference to my under eye area. So ever since I had Elena, I feel like I've aged literally 5 years in 4 months. I'm just not taking care of myself. I'm not drinking enough water. I am not getting enough sleep, and I feel like I have more fine lines than I used to. I put it on at night and my under eye area in the morning feels so much smoother. It's a visible difference, so I can see why so many people love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, my skin feels so much better after using those products. I feel like I can see a visible difference even on camera with how my skin looked before I did my routine versus after. I also wanted to share with y'all some of the Kiehl's gift sets that are available during the holidays because they have some really good ones out. These are 3 of the holiday gift sets that I wanted to share with you guys. I would probably recommend this one just because it comes with my favorite cleanser and the moisturizer. This is their facial favorites for all. So these are cult favorite products from Kiehl's. The next one is the Ultra Hydrators, and this one comes with the Ultra Facial Cream, but it also comes with a body lotion, the Ultra Facial Cleanser, and the hand salve. They also have a set called Merry Masking that comes with 3 different masks. Another thing that I love about Kiehl's is that they truly give back to the community. They've been working with Feeding America for over 7 years, and they will donate a minimum of $100,000 this holiday season to Feeding America. So I love that they give back. I love their products. I'm super excited to try out some of the other ones that I haven't tried in their sets. And thanks again to Keihl's for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So Elena actually just woke up. Omar has her right now, and I'm about to go drop her off at my mom's house because she said she would watch her for me for a couple of hours today. So I'm gonna go finish getting myself ready, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I went ahead and got dressed for the day. I'm wearing a cute lounge set that I just got from Express. It's this really pretty like baby pink with these balloon sleeves with the ruffles. I just thought it was kind of fun. It's really nice and like comfy and cozy. It has it's like fleece lined, so it's really warm because today it's actually really chilly outside. So let's go ahead and organize my baby's room, you guys. It's honestly, I'm really embarrassed to even show you guys what it looks like, but we're gonna get it under control. Okay, you guys. I cannot believe I let it get this bad. Okay, to be fair, I did know I was going to be filming this video, so I really wasn't even trying to pick it up or do anything to even get it together because I knew I was going to film this video and we were going to do it together, and that really motivates me. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this under control. Also, her closet is even worse. I have actually never organized her closet, and it's just gotten to the point now where I just can't. Oh my god. I hope I can get this done like today with this video. Okay, it was starting to look better, and then it started looking worse because I started emptying out the closet. Oh my gosh, you guys. And my baby shower sign. It's so beautiful, and I will never get rid of it, but it's so big. What am I supposed to do? All of this in this cubby and up here are things that just don't fit her anymore, and it just literally makes me want to cry. Okay, I have made a little bit of progress. I'm sitting here amongst a bunch of toys. I did not realize, well, I just forgot about these toys. My aunts had given them to Elena when she was first born, and they were too advanced for her age at that time, so I put them in storage in her closet, and now she can play with them now, so I'm so excited. So I got them out. I also got out this little toy basket. And before it had blankets in it, but I didn't have anywhere to store all of her Love Every toys and just any of the things that she has to play with. So I'm sticking them all in here, and that is working well. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys there. I also have these storage boxes that I had in her closet, so I'm gonna store her clothes that don't fit her anymore in there. Let me grab them. Okay, so while I'm trying to organize all of her newborn clothes and 0 to 3 month clothes, I thought that I would just update you guys on how postpartum was for me and like my journey and kind of where I am right now, because in the last vlog I updated you guys on the baby and her 3-month update and all that stuff and kind of how it is being parents, but I didn't really specifically talk about postpartum, and I really didn't do a specific video about postpartum on my channel. I guess the main reason I didn't is because I really, like, alhamdulillah, thank God, I had a really easy recovery. I don't know, I just didn't feel like I had enough personal experience to do a whole dedicated postpartum video about like all the things that I used, because I honestly didn't even really use any products. However, like being a nurse, I feel like I do still have all the tips and all the things that I learned from my job. If you guys still want a video like that, let me know, because I feel like there's still a lot of things I would love to share about tips for postpartum and just how to like heal and how to recover the best way possible. But I wanted to kind of talk about how my journey was. So the first couple of weeks postpartum were the hardest, obviously, because you're still healing. Everything is just thrown at you. It's just such a whirlwind. But I also had the baby blues the first 2 weeks. After that, I've just still been so emotional. Like, honestly, I'm so surprised that I'm not crying looking at all of these. I think it's because I haven't really like opened them up yet. I just get so emotional thinking about Elena getting older and just things just flying by, and just the fact that like it's just going by like seriously so fast. And I don't know. I think the hardest thing like emotionally postpartum for me has been just accepting that my baby is gonna grow up one day, and it just literally is so hard for me to process that one day she's not going to like need me like she does right now. So even though things have gotten a lot easier, and you know, I don't have as many crying episodes as I used to, yeah, that is probably the hardest like thing emotionally that I've had to deal with, is just thinking about her growing up and not needing me anymore, which I know is crazy because she's only 4 months old. And whenever I talk to my mom and like my parents about it, they just give me the advice to just try to enjoy each and every little stage that she's in. It was just so hard to enjoy the newborn stage for me because Elena was really fussy and colicky. It was very stressful. I just wish I could go back and just enjoy it more, but it was just impossible. And the more you wish you could go back, the more time is passing now. So it's like you should enjoy the stage you're in right now. The other thing that has been hard on me emotionally is no one really talks about how much of an emotional like bond you have with your baby with breastfeeding. And I just can't even imagine not breastfeeding her anymore. That literally makes me want to like cry thinking about not breastfeeding anymore, like one day when I have to wean her. These are just the feelings that I've been having postpartum, and I thought I would open up to you guys about that because I never knew that those feelings even existed. And I think one thing that maybe you guys didn't know about me before I had a baby is that I mean, I love babies, and I mean, I was a labor and delivery nurse, but I'm not the most motherly person, I guess. I'm not, like, whenever I would see a baby, I wasn't, like, so, like, head over heels, like, had baby fever, like, anything like that. But when it comes to, like, your own baby, it is so different. So different. So I updated y'all on how I'm doing emotionally postpartum, but I have not really updated y'all fully on how I'm doing physically. So like I said, my recovery, thank God, was pretty quick. However, if you guys followed me during my pregnancy, you guys saw that I was having some like weird abdomen pain, and my doctor thought it was my gallbladder, and it just continued after my pregnancy for months, and it still honestly hurts off and on, and no doctor has ever been able to tell me what it is. And I've gotten all the tests. I've done all the tests you can do for your gallbladder. I've gotten a CAT scan on my entire like chest to pelvis. No one can find anything, which I'm so thankful for, because that means hopefully it's nothing like serious. I never wanted to mention that I was in pain to you guys because I didn't want you guys to worry, because honestly I was worried myself, like thinking like, oh my god, if it's not my gallbladder, then what the heck is this pain? But inshallah it's nothing, and hopefully it just goes away. I just want you guys to know that, like, I don't know, if you follow someone online and you think like your life is so much worse off and they don't have to deal with any of the things you're dealing with, I promise you that everyone has their own struggles, and it doesn't matter who it is and what you think their life is like. I promise you, God tests every single person with different tests. I forgot that my mom had given me this little book with some pictures of me when I was a baby. And we were looking at this whenever Elena was first born, and honestly, here's my mama. Honestly, you guys, everyone says that Elena looks like my husband, but I can see me like so much. Definitely both of us. There's my dad. Okay, and this is the aftermath of my cleaning and organizing. And even her closet is looking much better. Not perfect, but much, much better. I have 1 hour until I need to go get Elena from my mom's house, so we are going to make some rotisserie chicken in the Instant Pot. So let's go. Okay, so I talked to you guys in my last vlog about how I'm obsessed with the Instant Pot. Well, they randomly reached out, and I'm working with them over on Instagram to talk about their Duo Crisp Instant Pot. And you guys, I like this one even better. So this one is an air fryer and a pressure cooker in one. So you can basically like pressure cook something and then crisp it up afterwards by changing out the lids. There's like this lid and then that lid based off of whatever you want to do, pressure cook or air fry. It's awesome. So I've made salmon so far, and it made it so crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. So good. I'm gonna try to make rotisserie chicken in the Instant Pot today, and basically you just pressure cook the whole chicken and then you put it on the air fryer function with the air fryer lid, and then it's supposed to come out really nice and crispy, and I'm so excited. So I went ahead and looked up a recipe. I'm going to show you guys the spices I'm going to use. So for spices, I'm using garlic powder, lemon pepper, a regular pepper, onion powder, rosemary, and paprika. And I was supposed to get thyme, but I forgot to get thyme, and oregano, so hopefully this tastes good. Anyways, I'm also going to put half of a lemon, or if I can fit the whole lemon inside the chicken as well to give it a little bit more of a citrusy flavor, I'm gonna do that. So all my spices are on the chicken along with some olive oil and salt. I forgot to mention salt. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub the chicken down and then put my lemons inside and pressure cook it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it and then pick up Elena, and we'll see what this turns out to be like. Okay, so I went ahead and set the Instant Pot on pressure cook for 30 minutes on high, and then I have my rice in the rice cooker over there. Do I even need to use a stove anymore? I just have all these little appliances, but they are definitely like the best mom hack ever. So I'm gonna go pick up Elena now, and then I'll show you guys the finished result with the rotisserie chicken once I finish. Alrighty, Omar put the air fryer lid on for me while I was gone, and put it on for 10 minutes on 400. And it looks nice and crispy.
Good.
So good.
Yeah. Need to put some like mayo or something with it.
Mayo?
It has like a dipping sauce.
Maybe. I just butchered this chicken. Do you want to tell them what just happened?
Oh, yeah. Hang on. So basically, we put Elena to sleep.
We are the best parents in the world.
Officially. Tonight was a breakthrough.
Well,
sort of.
2 nights ago.
Yeah.
We started this thing where we started putting her to sleep at 7:30, like 7 to 8 o'clock. It's been really nice. Like, the nice thing is that we're able to like put her down early, and then we have like an evening together. We have not had that since she was born.
Yeah, and almost
the night
4
before
months.
she was born.
Yeah, and almost 4 months. Yeah, we can't. I mean, we just haven't been able to sit down, just us two, and like talk to each other.
Yeah, honestly.
You know,
so we just put her down,
and we're gonna eat dinner.
And we're gonna eat dinner.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
This is really crazy. Looks so yummy. I'm using my new dinnerware. Got some Topo Chicos. And we are checking her heart rate on the Owlet sock to make sure she's in deep sleep. What is she now? 118?
118.
Oh,
so
yeah.
like 130s is like light sleep. Kind of like Twilight Zone.
Yeah.
And then
113
is getting deeper.
She's
115.
Yeah.
So she's like, and then whenever she's in like really good sleep, it's like around 100. That's when you know she's like really asleep. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again to Keihl for sponsoring this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.